Iced in Unraveling English Phrases. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a very specific and interesting English phrase, iced in. Ever heard of it? If not, you're in for a treat. Let's learn together. Iced in literally refers to a situation where ice forms around or on something, restricting movement or access. Imagine it's winter and a thick layer of ice covers your car, and you can't get the doors open. You could say, "My car is iced in." While iced in can refer to any situation where something is encased or trapped by ice, it's most commonly used to talk about transportation and accessibility issues. Here are some examples. 1. Airports. The airplane is iced in and can't take off until they de-ice it. 2. Homes or buildings. We were iced in for 2 days during the blizzard. 3. Vehicles. The truck was iced in at the parking lot overnight. English is full of weather-related phrases. Here are a few that are similar to iced in. 1. Snowed in, when there's so much snow that you can't leave a place. 2. Rained in, when heavy rain prevents you from going out, though this is used less frequently. Let's see how iced in can fit naturally into conversations. 1. Making plans. I'd love to come over, but I'm iced in at the moment. Can we reschedule? 2. Discussing news. Did you hear about the northern towns? They've been iced in for a week. 3. Work or school. Sorry, I won't be able to make it today. My car is iced in. Understanding phrases like iced in can add depth to your English conversations and help you describe specific situations more vividly. We hope this video has shed light on this chilly phrase. Stay warm, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.